Hey everybody, come back with another quick video. Today we've got a electric typewriter. This is a Smith Coronet Super 12. Does have the original hard case with it. This is the cool robin egg blue color, like a two-tone. It's a good overall shape. Just did a quick cleaning and it seems to work as it should. On button is just over here. Hear the motor turn on. Get a little bit of sound. Coming from right here, a little tap, but pretty quiet overall. All the buttons seem to work, or keys I should say, as it should. Power return works. It does have the chromatic cartridge. Comes in and out really easy. But overall, this is a nice little typewriter. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.